Hello everyone, welcome to the weekend market update. Today 15th November, Nifty ends this week at 25,910 and BankNifty at 58,517. Before proceeding to our this week market analysis, let me share two important updates. One is one personal update, due to some personal work, I'm not able to post the midweek market analysis for almost couple of weeks, and I think I will start resuming this work right from November end or the first week of December. Okay, so mostly from first week of December I will start resuming my earlier works, like posting the midweek analysis also, and also will share updates in the X. And another update is with regard to the Nifty view. See, many new subscribers or new listeners to the channel thinks that I am bearish on markets. See, I'm not bearish on markets. I am talking about the possibility of one leg down. Okay, that is the pullback. See, I have already shared my long-term view, and you can check this chart which I posted on November 2024, and we discussed that the price can drop minimum to 22,600, and the price may start move in uptrend, and it can reach 30,000. And in my previous long-term view, I said that minimum 28,000 is possible. Okay, minimum 28,000 in this 5, but considering all other wave counts, I'm expecting 30 to 33. So this is what I am saying for almost a year now. So I'm not bearish in markets. I'm talking about the one leg possibility. Okay, down. One leg may come or may not come. Okay, for that we have certain levels. Okay, this is my understanding, and this is the wave count as of now. I not changed my previous long-term wave count as of now. So this is the understanding, because few subscribers asked that why you are bearish. See, I'm talking about just one leg possibility. Okay, we need to see. So this is the long-term view I shared on Nifty, and hope you can see this decline came here. Okay, and 22,600, and the price needs to rise. Okay, the price started to rise, and here I am talking about this complex correction may come one more leg, or the price may start resuming its uptrend right from here itself. So there is certain conditions whether the rise can be X or not. Until this zone, we can call it as X. So this is the interesting area we need to see. Okay, this zone may decide the next trend. Let us talk about this in a while. And see, this Bank Nifty also I shared on 6th June 2024, and right from here I marked the next stop at 57,400 zone. Okay, 57,400, and you can see the price stopped at 57,600, 700 zone. See how this Elliottwave works in the long-term charts also. Okay, so I'm not talking about bearish. That's the update. I'm talking about the internal wave counts, and not only long-term counts. This is shorter-term counts which I shared on 28 October. One leg down may come, and there is a possibility for one more high, but the levels are very important. And if you watch, the one leg down came, okay, and the price starting to move higher. Even in previous video we discussed that Bank Nifty has the possibility of moving one more high, but Nifty may lag here. As of now, this is what happening. Okay, so this is intermarket divergence now, but we need to see how this resolves. This is the view on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay, I'm talking about the one leg correction is possible or not. Okay, now coming back to the Nifty, what we can expect in coming weeks. See this level, okay, this 26,175 to 26,277 or 300, that zone will decide the next trend. Okay, if it is X, the price will not cross above this zone. Please remember, if it is X wave, the price will not cross above this this zone of 26,175 to 26,300. Okay, and if it is X, the Y can come below this point of 24,300. Okay, we are in interesting zone. So this is one possibility. But if the price crosses above this zone, 26,300, what we may expect, the worst case scenario of the X may reach 26,500. Okay, see 99% of times if it is X, the price will not cross above 26,175 to 26,300. If the price crosses, we can slowly think about other options, but the worst case level is 26,500. I'm going to wait to see what this price do here. Okay, then only we can decide. So for the coming week, what we can expect is you can draw a line like this, okay, a slanting trend line, and you can see the breakout. But if the price crosses about 2600, then only we can expect 26,175 to 26,277. Okay, so first the price needs to cross above this high, or if the price comes pull back another leg down, we can expect the price currently at support only. All these levels are short-term supports. Okay, so we can expect a support between the same level of 25,700 to 25,650. So 25,700 to 25,650 can be the support for short-term levels. So my idea here is I will wait for 1 or 2 weeks to decide this. Okay, what the price doing here, either rejecting right from here or crossing this zone. So this zone will decide the next trend. So for coming 1 or 2 weeks, I will wait for confirmation. So this is the crucial level 26,175 to 26,300, and the next resistance is 26,500. So this is the update on Nifty and Nifty Bank. See, the price may touch the previous high we discussed, and yes, it has been touched. And see, when the price was trading here, we discussed that considering the Bank Nifty, we can identify it as end of correction. But Nifty and also considering the Nifty IT, okay, that's the only reason I'm thinking about X, or else I will count it as 1 2 1 2 1 2. So if it is 1 2 1 2 extension, we are going to have a massive extension on upside, right? That is what I'm thinking about, 30 to 33. Okay, because all are extension, so we need to wait. Okay, that's the assumption. Many are asking why we are calling it as X. So I will approach the market like this because I don't have a clear impulse wave as of now. If I assume it is 1 2 1 2, that will become pure assumption. Okay, I will not assume or I will not anticipate anything in the markets. I will go with the price data. So simple, I will wait for 1 or 2 weeks to decide. So this is the crucial level in Nifty, and in Bank Nifty, if the price crosses the previous high, the next important resistance comes between 59,000 to 59,300. Okay, this is a very important resistance, and we need to see. Okay, only if the price crosses above this point, we can expect 59 to 59,300. If I check in hourly chart, suppose we discussed, right, if the Nifty comes down, the shorter term support can be a Nifty Bank right from here. Okay, 58,000, and the important zone is 57,800 to 57,700. These are shorter term supports. Okay, but let us see how the price decides, and I will wait for 1 or 2 weeks to decide. The most important resistance and upside is 59 to 59,300 and 26,175 to 26,300, and both levels are only valid if the price crosses the previous high. Okay, so this is the update for Nifty and Bank Nifty, and let us move on to the commodities. The first one is crude oil. See, in crude oil, we discussed this zone, okay, 56.58 to 58.46. If the price declines, this will be the important support, and even I draw the channel. Okay, the price actually came out of the channel but suddenly declined, and see, when the channel breakouts are happening, you need to wait for previous high confirmation. Okay, so now also the previous high should cross. Currently the price is taking support exactly in our zone. See, this is the crude oil chart we discussed on 8th November. The price declines, this zone can be the support, 58.55 to 58.46. Okay, exactly the price took support and bouncing. So let us see how the price moves from here, and you can slightly adjust this channel, and it is valid now. So wait for the price to cross this zone 61.5, then we can expect price to move still higher. Okay, so this is the update on crude oil, natural gas. In natural gas, we expected price to reach 4.58, and I had a small doubt that some pause may come here, but the pause does not came, and the price reached 4.58. Let me remove this line. Okay, now see, this is the range now. See, all the charts are looking like we need to wait for some confirmation because it is near the support or near the resistance. Okay, we need to get some confirmation. And in natural gas, if the price crosses this previous high, okay, 4.81, then we can expect 4.91 to 4.97, or else the price can give a pullback to reach this zone. Okay, 4.37 to 4.3. Okay, crossing above this previous high directly right from here, we can expect 4.97, but if the price coming below this low, we can expect price to reach 4.37 to 4.3 as the minimum requirement. Okay, some consolidation pause zone we can expect here. Okay, this is the update on natural gas. And gold and silver, yes, we need to wait, and I have informed many times that wave force, we cannot assume which pattern it may take, so we can talk about only the range for wave force. In previous week we discussed that this is the range for support, and the resistance can be, the price can reach 4165, and the price has reached the 4165. Okay, so now see, we need to combine gold and silver now. If this is the silver chart, and we discussed that this is the support, I have shown the WhatsApp image which I shared with my learner. I expected 45.7 as support, and see 45.46, and we discussed in previous week that silver can reach 51 to 52, and it has been done, 52.52. These are the zones we discussed. And now see, this can be wave 3 or wave 5. I'm informing many times, but primarily I go with 3, 4, 5. So the important support can be around 49.79. Okay, in silver, if the price takes support here, it can start bouncing from this zone. And in gold, it can even have a B structure and okay, a diagonal shape, and it can come lower or some consolidation. So anything may happen in this gold and silver because it is a consolidation pattern. So the range can be the price needs to minimum cross above this previous high. Okay, this is the range. And the support, if the price comes below 3929, then we can expect price to reach 3836 for support. This is gold. And silver, this is the support zone, 49.79. The price took support here, it can approach higher side, and if the price comes directly below this point 46, we can expect the price to touch 45.46. Okay, so in wave force we can think about the range only, and that's why I said a month before gold and silver may pause the uptrend and move sideways. Okay, so that's why I gave this information a month before. So that is what happening now. Okay, so that's the update on gold and silver. And if we go to the crypto space, Bitcoin, and yes, see, many are asking, Elliottwave will work only in equities or currencies. Okay, so I am showing many examples, the precise level of turnings and the price approaching our levels and commodities, and even in crypto space. See, this expanded B, I have explained, many will go long here, but we discuss certain point, it can be B. The same approach I am seeing in Nifty. See, if it is not B, the price should move higher. Okay, but suppose if it is X or B expanded, then this will be the case. So we need to wait for certain confirmation. That's all. See, even here the price is very fast. I'm not comparing Bitcoin and Nifty. I'm just sharing the wave patterns. As I said, this is the place we need to wait for certain confirmation. So once we get confirmation, yes, we can think about the bullish count or bearish count. So as I said, I will wait for 1 or 2 weeks to get the clear clue. And Bitcoin, yes, we discussed the price can come one more low, and if the price comes, this will be the support 93,300, and the price is approaching closely to that level, and I think it may touch our level, and we need to see the price is taking support or not. Please be noted that we have a a deeper correction in Bitcoin also as a possibility, and that can reach 73,000 to 68,000. We discussed couple of months before, and it can become complex like ABC, another ABC, okay, some pullback, and it may start resuming its downtrend. So we need to see. And Ethereum also, see, I mark this line. This is the important support, and the price touches the same level one more time, and this zone should take support, or else the pattern may change in the Ethereum also. So currently both Bitcoin and Ethereum at support zone. If the price gets support, we can expect a decent pullback or bounce in the crypto space. It may turn complex, and there is possibility for deeper correction after that. So if the support works here, we can expect a decent bounce in crypto space. At the same time, if the support not works, you already have a deeper correction method. Okay, so this is the update for this weekend. So learn this Elliottwave at its purest form. You can register my course. I give all this in the description. And while registering, don't forget to give the discount coupon, which is available in the checkout page, right? And the most important point, the levels and opinions shared in this video are only for learning purpose. Don't take it as any kind of buy or sell recommendations. Trade safe. We'll meet you at the next weekend market analysis. Take care. Happy weekend.